Stop wasting time searching for random business ideas. Because what I'm about to show you, people are quietly doing this right now and making real money from it. Not crypto, not dropshipping hype, not some fake online trick. This is a real business, a physical product with constant demand and strong profit, clothing. And here's the crazy part. You don't need your own factory. You don't need a big investment. You don't even need to live in the country where the clothes are made, because today you'll learn how to import clothes from other countries and sell them in the United States, either wholesale or retail, and build a real income stream. But listen carefully. If you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you something most people never talk about: how to export clothes from Bangladesh, who to contact, and how beginners are already doing it. So don't skip, because the last part can change your direction. Let's start with one simple truth. People will always need clothes, no matter what happens in the economy, no matter what trends change. Clothing is essential. It's daily life. Now think about this. In the United States alone, the clothing market is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and every single day, online, offline, wholesale, retail, new clothes are being sold. So the question is not, does this business work? The real question is, how can you enter this business? There are two ways to run a clothing business: the hard way and the smart way. The hard way is building your own factory, handling production, too much cost, too much risk. The smart way is importing. You find countries where clothes are made cheaply, with good quality, and bring them into the United States, then sell them at a higher price. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Now the big question, where should you import from? Not all countries are the same. Some are cheap but low quality. Some are high quality but expensive. Let's look at the best options: Bangladesh, China, Vietnam, India. Bangladesh is one of the largest garment exporters in the world. Low cost, skilled workers, massive factories, international standards. A t-shirt that costs $2 to $4 to produce can sell for $10 to $25 in the US. China offers fast production, but prices are rising. Vietnam offers better quality, but slightly higher cost. India is strong in cotton and unique designs. The truth is, quality depends more on the supplier, not just the country, but for beginners, Bangladesh is one of the best options. Now let's talk about cost. Production: $2 to $4. Shipping: $0.5 to $1. Total: $3 to $5. Selling in the US, $12 to $25. That's a 2 times to 4 times profit margin. Now the process is simple. Find a supplier, check samples, negotiate price, place order, ship to the US, sell. You can find suppliers through Google, B2, B platforms, or direct factories. But here's the problem. Not all suppliers are trustworthy. Some overcharge, some give low quality. That's why the right connection matters. And this is where most beginners fail. They don't know who to contact. They don't know how to verify. They don't know how to import safely. But don't worry, because in the next part, I'll show you how to import safely, how to avoid scams, how to start with low budget, and most importantly, how to export clothes from Bangladesh, who to contact, and how you can start. If you're serious about building a real business, stay until the end.